Hi, my name is Leslie here at Image One Camera and Video. Today we are unboxing the Canon EOS M50. So this comes with the camera, of course, a lens that is 15 to 45 millimeters, battery, and a strap. So this camera is a digital mirrorless interchangeable lens camera. It is 4K resolution. The ISO ranges from 100 to 25,600, expandable to 51,200. The frame rate is 10 frames per second and 7.4 frames per second with autofocus. The shutter speeds are 30 seconds to 1/400 of a second. It's easy to use. All the controls you see are on the right side, very easy to maneuver. The LED screen rotates here. So you can take videos, you can take selfies. You can enjoy this and rely on its many features. This is an excellent versatile camera that you could take anywhere.